Hello, welcome back to my channel. We are doing another Valentine set. So first we are going to start off with our middle nail, which is going to be all white, and that's the one that's going to have our red stones on it. So you can see I just picked up a medium-ish size of white acrylic bead and I placed it right where the tip and the natural nail meet. And then I did speed up the video as well. Next, we are going to encapsulate our white nail because after we encapsulate it, this nail is all done and then we'll move on to the other nails. And also, I started off with the white nail because sometimes when you use color acrylic and then go back to like a lighter color like white, the monomer gets stained sometimes. So I've done that before in a different nail set. So I was like, you know what, let me start with the white because I need it to be the brightest one. And I didn't want my white to sort of come out a little beigey or sort of off-white because of the stained monomer, if that makes sense. So the rest of the nails are going to be nude. So I'll let you guys go ahead and watch that, and then I'll come back once the nails are done. Next, we are going to add our hearts. So I am going to add 6 hearts on the ring finger and 6 on the index finger. So I did keep this in real time so you guys can see it. Like I said in the beginning, the rest of the video is sped up though. And it was very easy to apply the hearts. So I just picked up a tiny bit of clear acrylic, laid that on the nail, and then I went in and picked up my hearts and made sure that the hearts were in the direction that I wanted them to be. So I was able to move them around until I was happy, and then I picked up another heart and continued until all 6 hearts were on the nail. So next we're going to do the pinky and the thumb. So those are going to be our 2 glitter nails, but the base underneath is going to be our nude acrylic. So next we are going to encapsulate accent nails, the ones with the hearts. So you see me pick up a clear bead of acrylic. I zoomed in the camera as well so you guys could see it closer. And then I just move the bead around. It is sped up a little bit, so it looks like I'm going really fast. But I just make sure that I seal in the cuticle and that I create a nice apex. And then you'll see me pick up another bead of acrylic, and then I put that bead directly on the little heart, and I try and move it around a little bit. And then you just keep seeing me add little bits of acrylic to encapsulate and cover the hearts. Next, we're gonna add glitter. So you see me pick up a tiny bead of clear acrylic, put that over the nail, and then I go in and I sprinkle the glitter on the whole nail. So next, as I was moving my hands around, I realized that some of the glitter was falling off, and I was not happy about that. So I was trying to think that how did I make a mistake, with applying the glitter? I don't understand why it's like starting to come off. So then what I did was I decided, let me encapsulate the glitter. So I took clear acrylic and I made sure that my beads were on the wet side because I didn't want a dry bead, because if I put that on, then when I move it around, the glitter is going to move. Hopefully that makes sense. So a wetter bead, then the glitter would stay where it is, and then I'm at least able to encapsulate it. So that's what I went ahead and did here. Next, we are going to e-file the nails. So I only left the e-filing on the ring finger in the video as to not make the video very long and boring. So you guys can just go ahead and watch me do that. Next, we are going to go in with a hand file to redefine the shape of the nails and get them crisp. Now it's time to apply the bling. So you do see me apply the bling gel, and then I pick up the red stones and I'm gonna place them in a French design. Also, let me know in the comments down below if you guys prefer shorter videos like this one we just did, or if you prefer the longer videos. That way I can know what content to make for you guys. Thanks! I really love this set. It's very simple, very easy to do, and it's so pretty. I did take a video towards the end so you guys can see the nails up close. They're so cute. I love them. Hopefully you guys like them as well. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!